Hi there, 7th graders. Mr. Kerr here, and welcome to week 6. I don't see week 6 here. There we go. Hey, week 6. Let's make sure we're there together. Yep. So week 6, we're talking about beginnings, endings, and aspects of ancient civilizations. So first thing I really want to make sure everyone knows about is Thursday, October 1 is a big day for our school. It's called October Count Day. It's really important that everyone, every single student logs in to this class on Thursday, regardless of what your regular schedule is or anything, but you log in on Thursday and when you open this folder, you'll see this thing. It's called like the Beginning of Civilization Survey. Please do that on Thursday. You won't be able to take it before Thursday. Please plan to set aside a little bit of time on Thursday to do that. Absolutely. And since this is week 6, this is kind of our 6-week update that we always do as well. There will be no weekly quiz this week as this October 1 assignment will take place of that. Also, middle schoolers, 10 a.m. on Wednesday. If you want to join us, links will be available. It's only required for our full-time JVA middle schoolers, but everyone, if we get you that link, sorry, let me close the window from the sound out there. And yeah, so this week we're talking about the beginning of civilizations. There's a video, some questions, some notes to take, which you'll be turning in. So please follow the directions there. Then there is this chart. When you go through the chart, you open it up, and there's a good chunk of information that I'm going to ask you to add to this chart. It doesn't have to be super deep in depth, but I am asking you to find some little bits of information for all the different pieces in it. So please go through that. And then we have 2 discussion boards, aspects of civilizations, which will be based quite a bit on the chart. And then similar climates is the other discussion. On these discussion boards, please make sure you're posting earlier in the week, and then later in the week you can go back and do your replies. Your suggested schedule will take you through Monday through Friday. On Friday, as you know, all of your assignments are eventually due on Sunday, but the suggested schedule will go Monday through Friday. All right. Questions? Let me know. You know where to find me. Here's all my contact information right there. And please make sure you're checking your grade book and letting me know if you have any questions. Great. Thanks, everyone. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.